friends, welcome to our channel Simple Learn. If you are a first time user to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Today's topic is integers. So what are integers? We have natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. We have whole numbers. Whole numbers which include 0 along with natural numbers are whole numbers. Now, what are integers? Integers are nothing but the negative numbers. Negative numbers along with the whole numbers are integers. Negative numbers are -1, -2, -3, etc. So these are integers. Now let's learn how this integers are represented on a number line. We all know the number line is including 0. 1 unit to the right we represent as 1. Again 1 unit to the right of 1 we represent as 2. Like that, 3, 4, etc. Now how do we represent integer on a number line? We represent the integers, the negative numbers to the left of 0. Left 1 unit, -1. So from 0, you take 1 unit to the left is -1. 1 unit to the -1 is -2. 1 unit to the left of -2 is -3. So these are integers. This is how we represent the number line. When you go from left of 0, these are increasing in the numbers with a sign of negative. You will have -253 here. You will have n numbers here. So here it is infinity and here also it is infinity. Now let's learn about ordering of integers. How do we order the integers? We have learned the integers on the number lines now. 1 is less than 2. How do we say 1 is less than 2? You again take this number line. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. In the number line, you are going towards the right, the value is increasing. It's the same concept of integers as well. Okay. Here you have -1, -2, -3. Don't think about this negative signs. Don't think about your positive signs or you don't have any signs. The value is increasing towards the right. Okay. Nothing to think about. Just think on a number line. That's an easy method for you to learn. The value is increasing towards the right. -3, -2, -1. So -3 is less than -2. Here we have 2 is less than 3. Just think about the number line and then write your answers. If you're writing on greater than or less than or equal to symbol, just think about it. Now, when you talk about a greater numbers like 253 or -364, you cannot write a number line. You cannot draw a number line. So in that case, how do you think which is greater? How do you know which is greater? Just look at this number. Don't think about the symbol now. 364. This is 253. When you look at the numbers, this is bigger. Now, you know 364 is bigger. Now, look at the sign. If the sign is negative and this sign is positive, you have to know this negative number is less than your positive number. That is how we find out which is less and which is greater. Then you look at these numbers. If it is smaller numbers, you can easily remember on the number line. If it's a bigger number, just look at the number first. Identify which is bigger, which is less. Then look at the negative symbols or the positive symbol. I hope you understand the ordering of numbers now. Now I will explain you some concepts like, okay, I'll give you some examples. 7, 0, -7. Out of this, which is the greatest? Obviously, you will be thinking, okay, there are two sevens. You will be confused whether -7 is greater or +7 is greater. This time, look at the symbol. The symbol matters a lot. Now, the negative symbol shows on the left side of the number line, and that will have lesser value compared to the right side of the number line. So, 7, -7 is less than +7. Now you have a question of 0. 0 is neither a negative number nor a positive number. Okay. So 0 is a middle of all the positive and negative numbers. 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. All negative numbers are lesser than 0. That is why 0 comes here, all the negative numbers comes here. All the negative numbers are here. So you have to understand what is left to 0. Left of zeros are all smaller than 0. Okay, so all the negative numbers. So negative numbers less than 0, less than positive numbers. This is how the ordering of integers. Now we will go to the absolute value. The next statement I'll talk about temperature. Okay, let's talk about temperature. The temperature increases or the temperature decreases sometime. So when the temperature increases, we take it as positive. When the temperature decreases, take it as negative. Think about the ice. Okay, ice, or if you go to Atlanta or somewhere else, the temperature is coming down. So always they talk about the temperature is -23, -43, something like that they talk. When the temperature increases in our area and all, it increases. We talk about it's positive. It increases. Okay. So that's how we derive the statement.
We will come with another topic in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.